Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the Product Features section. The Product Bullet Points widget helps you display clear, concise product details in a visually engaging way. Highlight features, benefits, and specifications so your customers can quickly understand your product value. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Product Features section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the Product Features section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings. Then open Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the Product Features section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Product Features, and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the Product Features section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, or both. Use container size to control how wide the Product Features section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. You can set the desktop content position to control how the content is aligned within the section on larger screens. Choose from top, right, bottom, or left, depending on your layout preference and design structure. You can also enable or disable hide content on mobile based on your mobile design strategy. When enabled, the content will be hidden on mobile devices, allowing you to keep a cleaner and more focused mobile experience. For mobile layouts, you can choose the content position separately. Select either top or bottom to ensure the content appears in a way that feels natural and easy to scroll through on smaller screens. To further enhance the visual experience, you can upload custom images for different devices. Main Image Desktop, optimized for larger screens to support your layout and messaging. Main Image Mobile, a mobile-friendly version that ensures clarity and proper scaling on smaller devices. You can fully customize how hotspots behave and appear within your Product Features section. Start by setting the hotspot button and modal point color to match your brand identity. This helps maintain a consistent visual style and improves overall design harmony across your store. Next, choose how the hotspot modal opens. Click. The modal opens only when the user clicks on the hotspot, ideal for intentional interactions. Hover. The modal appears on hover, creating a more interactive browsing experience. You can also enable or disable the ripple animation. When enabled, the hotspot has a subtle pulsing effect that draws user attention and highlights important product points. For layout control, you can adjust the modal width based on device type. Desktop, 200 pixels to 400 pixels for a balanced, readable layout on larger screens. Mobile, 100 pixels to 300 pixels to ensure a clean and compact experience on smaller devices. The bullet point settings allow you to present product information in a structured and visually appealing way. You can start by customizing the bullet point color to align with your brand style. This ensures the feature section blends seamlessly with your overall store design. For layout control, you can adjust the desktop maximum width of bullet points between 260 pixels and 400 pixels. This helps you balance readability and spacing depending on your design preference. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can also match the container of your section to your store's branding using color schemes, such as light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. The custom option allows you to create your own color palette for full control over the container appearance. Similarly, you can style the overall section using the same color scheme options to maintain a cohesive look across your store. You can add a block to insert content into your Product Features section. To add content, you can add block and the select hotspot. This block is used for internal identification, so it's important not to modify the ID, as changing it may lead to visual issues or disrupt widget naming. You can then position the hotspot on the desktop using horizontal and vertical offset controls, ranging from 0 to 100. This allows you to precisely place the hotspot anywhere on the product image for accurate visual alignment. If needed, you can enable custom mobile positioning. Once enabled, you can independently adjust the hotspot placement for mobile devices, ensuring it appears correctly on smaller screens. For mobile positioning, you can also control the horizontal and vertical offset values from 0 to 100, giving you full flexibility to optimize layout for mobile users. Next, you can upload a content image to visually support the hotspot information and make it more engaging. You can also enter a title and description to clearly explain the feature, benefit, or specification being highlighted. To improve readability and design structure, you can set the text alignment of the hotspot content to left, center, or right based on your layout preference. Finally, you can choose whether to use the default point color or disable it to apply a custom point color, allowing you to better match your brand style and highlight key product details more effectively. To add content, you can add a block and then select Bullet Point. This block is used for internal identification, so it should not be modified, as changing it may cause visual issues or affect widget naming. You can position the bullet point on the desktop using horizontal and vertical offset controls, ranging from 0 pixels to 100 pixels. This allows you to precisely place the bullet within the layout for better alignment with your product image or content structure. You can also choose the direction of the bullet line, either left or right, depending on how you want the content to flow visually across the section. To further customize the layout, you can select the line bend style, with options including top, bottom, or none. This helps you control how the connecting line appears for a cleaner or more styled presentation. If you enable separate mobile positioning, you can independently adjust the layout for mobile devices. This ensures the design stays well structured on smaller screens. For mobile layout, you can control the horizontal and vertical offsets from 0 pixels to 100 pixels, allowing precise placement on mobile as well. You can also choose the same direction settings and line bend options to maintain consistency, or adapt the design specifically for mobile viewing. Next, you can add a title and description to clearly present the product feature or benefit in a structured format. Finally, you can choose whether to use the default point color or disable it to apply a custom point color, helping you align the bullet design with your brand identity and highlight key information more effectively. You can section by adding additional default blocks such as title, description, and advanced double button. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. And that's it. Your product features section is now ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.